So this time we're going to use the launcher, I think. And I'm going to just... Right. That's backwards, that's fine, don't worry about it. Let's make sure it actually launches first. I'm pressing the wrong button, boom, there. Okay. Definitely launches the car. Right. Over here then. Let's pull this backwards a bit. Ignore my floor. You're gonna push the... Sorry about this, technical issue. Oh, beans. Didn't even leave the track. Right. Go! Oh, I don't know if it's this specific car, but that one did not want to launch properly. It just kept launching immediately into the air. Why is it now? It's just going completely off the track immediately. It's possibly catching on the track here. Yeah, 1 second. Right, because this doesn't have the edge case bit here, so it might not catch there, hopefully. Right. We do it. Okay, I think it is still hitting the thing, but I'll call that a marked improvement on the launcher technique. Right, I've got one last idea. This one might be a bit better. Right, I promised a situation where I'd have a setup of all 4 of these track pieces actually together, and here we are. A new circuit, actually using all those different bits, sort of. I was going to put the awning thing, whatever the thing is, above that boardwalk piece, but I kind of can't be bothered. It's secured up somewhere else. I've secured it at the top. We're not going to use the whole length of it, because it'd be too fast. But, oh, I can drop the car very nicely. Yeah, maybe we can put our boy, our team racing driver up here. And he gets stuck there. He does get stuck at the launcher because he's a bit... Okay, he's a bit wide. This will actually go into a video I might do at a later date. As to certain cars, they're not completely compatible with certain types of parts, which is interesting. It could also just be that part in general that doesn't particularly like that. But I think... Yeah, so this piece here, I don't know, actually also makes that go forward. So you could do it manually from a starting point, or it could do as a... Or I think it also works as a continuation booster, I think. So... I think they're not going fast enough. Maybe they're not going fast enough to kick the kicker properly. Which is ironic, really, because a kicker is supposed to be, you know... But if I go too fast, that happens. Yeah, so I think we'll kicker the kicker. Hang on, can we kicker the kicker like this? There we go. So it stops and it kicks. And now that it's not suspended, we can do one more shot. Oh, it still gets stuck. Okay. It still gets stuck. Right. Go on Mach 42. Give on Mach 4. Okay. Right. That piece... That might work. So there is something to be said about compatibility of these. So these, like, newer connection pieces don't work with pieces of track this old. Because I think there was at one point we just put like a slider in between that didn't have this midsection in it and this kind of system. I think they did that maybe so it made it perfectly incompatible with other kinds of car track. I don't know. But it's a little bit annoying. Or it could also be for more extra support. I don't blinking know, to be honest. But... Anyway, right, go on Mach 42. It goes down there, and it goes backwards. That's weird, but we have a system where it almost clears the entire track. And yeah, that is weird how it makes that bounce backwards. That's fine, that's fine. I would call that a success. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll be doing some more tracks and stuff in the future. I'll probably be refining this setup, making it a bit less scuffed. Maybe we'll take the track out and about. Who knows? See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye for now. Good afternoon, everyone. As you might have seen in the previous video, we have the 10 the Hot Wheels basic track pack. So it's 10 pieces. So we've got 6 pieces of regular track, 4 pieces of short yellow track, I think. 9 connectors. Don't know why they give you 9 and not 10. Or more than 9, to be honest. I don't even know if they're going to give you like 9 sections, to be honest. And 1 car, obviously. Which is, I believe, What For 2. I don't know if this was printed in any other thing. So occasionally you find track sets, things like that, where they just use like a surplus car from another set or a mainline series that year that was like, you know, wasn't very popular, etc. They just put it in here instead. I don't know. I don't know the science behind it or the economics or whatever. Someone else will be able to tell me. Who knows? I don't know what the car in the picture is either. Oh well, let's get this opened up. Well, I've completely failed at opening that properly. There is like a dotted line thing they're supposed to use. Here are our connectors. They're a bit more different to the sort of the classic ones. I think this has been designed, that's been refined over the years. A bit better. And possibly designed to be specifically incompatible with old stuff. Who knows? Let's see if I can get this on camera. So that's the basic connection piece. Connection joint. Hot Wheels logo. Just does the job, doesn't it, really? Right. These are the... Dear. Oh, come on, really? Well, that sound was. Those are the regular track pieces. See if I can grab just one. So, just the length of track. Nothing too spectacular here, although it is very nostalgic with the classic orange track. Would be nice if they did these in other colours, you know. Yep, so it has that bit, the under trucks, etc., etc. And those just connect a bit like that. Yep, right. Where's the other pieces? There's the other bits. So these are interesting because they're yellow but with orange in the middle, which I kind of like. I know I was just complaining about lack of track colours. But it would be nice if they were all either that or one or the other. Would have been nice. As obviously, your longer your track piece, the more it can sort of bend and whatnot and be used for other things. So these track pieces are more for sort of, I guess, short support sections because they're a bit less bendy than the others because they're a bit shorter. But yeah, right. And then kind of pointless, but I don't really care. But if we can get this car out. Just blinking me. Come up, you little git. I'm probably not opening it the right way here, but I don't care. Watch me press about with this for like half a flipping year. There we are. Come up. Come here, you bugger. Come on. I don't have any issues with my blinking unboxing videos. Oh, you got it? Yes. Oh, it's got a metal base, I think. It's a thin metal base. Yeah, which is What For 2. I've seen people try and pull these bits off so the engines are exposed, but you know, as you do. I can definitely get it to show. It's made in Indonesia. There we go. What For 2. I was right. Used to have one of these as a kid. Different version. This is an X-Racers car, I suppose. X-rays, as you can see. It's see-through, sort of. And I think this is normally an X-Racers thing. I don't know if I've seen a version that isn't that X-Racers type. But in any case, obviously this can go on the track, and it can do that. And it can kind of, let's find a pic. Here's one I made. Wow, you probably heard that. Here's one I've made. I'm trying to pick it up. I'm going to get it in the box. There it goes. It's a track. And there is the whole thing lined up. You have to excuse it being a bit sideways. Oh, that's my leg. I am sitting on the floor because I'm trying to get camera footage of all this. That's the full length of it, as you can see. And I guess I can try and put a car at the top and try and... Nope, it just landed in my shoe. Brilliant. It's a bit angled and there it goes, off into the middle distance. Right, time to do some more experiments. That's it from length to length. Let's see if we can do something with this. So I had to remove a piece because there's only 9 connectors. Really, they should give you 10, so you can actually connect this 10 piece of track to something. But I will. Right. As you can see, I need to do some sorting out with this garage section. We'll do a video on the garage at some point. And it does need a bit of a dust. I need to clear the random piece of track and things off of it. I don't know what this piece is even off of, actually. There's a bonus thing for you. What sets this track from? Because I picked this piece of a car boot something, or it's from. Picked it up because it's like really cheap. This is just a buildable figure from something. Just stick that to one side. But, see if I can do this. So we're actually using the one from the 3-pack first. And it goes off into the middle distance. So we can find, where did I put? There's what, 4.2. There's our second tester cut. If we focus over here, maybe, hang on. It's really hard to do with just the holding the camera at the same time. But if we do that, perhaps? Yes. Whee! There it goes. And then we have our tame test driver, the Stig. Go on, Stiggy. I just realised I just put my finger in front of the camera, but I think you saw it. I'm loath to use anything of this lot, 'cause it's not, some of the stuff's not exactly common cars that I don't mind getting damaged. I'm not quite sure where Watt 42 has gone, but well, attempt number 2. It functions. We have speed. How did that go? Right, I think we can do one more adjustment here. So I have removed a couple more sections, and we have an ramp now. So, I think it's only fitting to use our tame racing driver. See how this guy does on the ramp. Did that even work? I don't know how that even worked or not. Oh, hang on. Methinks it's getting caught somewhere. I'm not sure where. So, is it actually? Let's see what it's getting caught at. Maybe it isn't. Maybe it's just going over the jump properly. I don't know. No, it's just the sound. The sound is just when it goes over the jump, I guess. Right. Let's not crash into the other car, Hammond. Okay, well we have some upward momentum. And this is what I could do with a second person, to be honest. So I could have a guest host putting the car up there so we can see the jump properly. Right. Go on, do the jump over the car. Actually, I think what is happening, it might be getting caught here, and it's just sort of going. Let's test that theory. Yeah, I think they're just going, because they're going at speed, they're hitting this and going. But, one more attempt. I mean, they're still going through the jump, but. Okay, I might need to road shop that. Maybe I just need road shop that, yep. Maybe we need like an actual Hot Wheels ramp for that idea. Well, that puts pain to that idea, but I've got a few more other ideas I want to do with this. So let's go back to the drawing board.